and welcome to the Craft Bar. I'm featuring two cards in our Mother's Day Inspiration series. These are cards created with the KIS Cuts Triangle Accordion Pocket Card, and this is a very nice die set that cuts out the basic card as well as the shapes and the shadowing piece for the front. So here are two happy examples. This first one was made with double-sided paper, so it's a beautiful green paisley print on the back. On the front, that pattern continues, but when you open it up, you already see it peeking through. You get a beautiful green checkered pattern. And this is the negative here that my mom used to great effect on the inside to create a pocket. And when you pull it out, you get a little Happy Mother's Day tag. And that's a lovely treat to keep because nice bookmark, a sentiment to maybe pass on to someone else as well. On the front with the background, the circle comes as part of the die. Now the die set includes a matching inner circle, but my mom chose not to use it. Instead, she really called attention to this beautiful mixed media bird sticker. And it is felt with stitching and then a paper wing. This is a chipboard, a nice heavy-duty chipboard branch. Same thing with the flowers chipboard, but with the real rhinestone sticker. There's even a rhinestone eye up here for that bird, so really gives nice depth. And when you feel it, it feels nice to hold it in your hands. So beautiful and a lovely Happy Mother's Day. Again, very easy to make, no measuring, lovely. You can get even more embellished with this die set because it includes, as I said, all of the interior lined pieces. So this example is very frilly. I just love it, love it, love it. This lace that my mom used to embellish or highlight that gorgeous center circle, then she added a happy bow. When you open this up, you get all kinds of color and texture popping out. The paper that she used to cut the basic envelope is a light blue, but the interior for the spine, here the floral, here the checkered, those dies are also included with the set. So it's very easy, no measuring. And as a result, get lots of texture and color when you open it up. Love the pink. I love that it signifies the pink here. I don't know where she found these cute little stickers that so perfectly match. Happy Mother's Day. Same thing when you open it to the side or look on the the spine, you get that happy floral, the check. And this will stand up nicely. So you get a very pretty effect when you open it. You can have it perched open a bit if you like. I think these are great cards. So a good die cut and two useful, beautiful examples for Happy Mother's Day. Well, thanks for checking in with us tonight. I hope you're having a great time with your own crafting. Please let us know what you're doing for Mother's Day. Comment below if you have some ideas that we can incorporate with our cards, or if you've tried out this nice triangle accordion pocket card die. We picked this up at a Stamp and Scrap Expo, and we've really been enjoying it and made some other lovely cards that we'll share. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see you again soon.